friends. Welcome to this
Good evening.
presentation. And first, let us dance to the pop music. Okay, are you all ready? Great. Listening? Dance, dance, shake, shake, shake your body, shake your hands, shake your heads. Shake, 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 please, everyone. Okay, thank you so much for dancing to the pop music. Okay, great. Now the question is, can we really manage the time? Managing also means to control, to govern, to rule, and to supervise, right? But none of these things will happen, with the time, because the time moves in its predetermined pace. Tick, 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 tick. You cannot make it to move like tick, 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 or tick, 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 tick. You can't do that, right? So you can't manage, you cannot govern, you cannot rule. Only thing is, now we can understand the movement of the time and we can learn to dance with the music, the movement of the time. Okay, let us see. That's why the time management is a myth we have all grown up with, right? Sumi madam. Yes, so that's what I was telling. We need to understand the movement of the time and we have to learn to dance to its tune and what it will be. Okay, yeah, next, this one. Yes, so I say time management is actually dancing to the pop music. Now, what is the pop music? Let us see. Before that, I need one volunteer to converse. Anybody can help me. Ravi
Sir,
Kumar, sir?
Binu, yes.
Binu, yeah, great. So, ready, sir?
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Okay, so now please listen to our conversation. And sir, Binu, sir, after each this one, you will have about 30 seconds to share your views. Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Great. See, now, see, in the same kind of situation, we will have to present 20 minutes of demo presentation. You have made about 15 slides and you are presenting, and you see while presenting it is 19th minute and you've got another 6 slides to present. What do?
I rush. I try to control my talking and try to rush it off.
Okay. Anything else happens to you while doing that?
I may get a little tensed up if you're asking that way. Yeah.
Tense.
You can share all the things. What
I get tensed up.
We get tense, but we should know the way. From that slide itself, we have to come to a conclusion, and we have to manage the situation.
Khalilullah sir, sorry, I am talking to Binu and only we will be conversing and we will be listening to this. Okay, great. Yes, sir. Okay, that's the one thing.
So, so I'll try. First attempt is that I have all my first attempt is to complete it. Second thing is to I'll be a little more tensed up. And the third option, what Mr. Kalila says, like he said, I'll try to finish everything with all of us.
Great.
That is
great.
Yeah.
Okay. The second situation. Okay, fine. The second situation is you have planned again 15 slides, 20 minutes of presentation is there. Now in the midway, at this 10th minute, you see that you already reached to the last slide. That is thank you note. Now what do?
Well, that's a very interesting question. What happens? But still, if that's a particular situation, is only thing. Say thank you and start, rewinding it. You start asking questions.
Time has gone.
No, you said you finished the topic, right? That's what you told me. You finished the topic beforehand. So I have another 5 minutes. Then I'll rewind all these things, asking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great. So you will pick up from there. Fantastic.
Yeah.
One more. So now you have noticed these kind of things happening to other presenters. So now you will come up with total planning, 15 slides, 20 minutes. You have given about 1.5 time for interactions and all those things. And as you're presenting, somewhere your presentation triggers some kind of conversation among audiences, and it will take more time beyond your 1.5 minutes, maybe it goes beyond 4.5 minutes, then what do you do, sir?
If you ask me, a very candid answer would be I will go with the current scenario, because I will not be very much bothered about 1.5 minutes extra. I think it's adding value, I just ignore. If it's more than 10 minutes, then I will match up to the situation and plan accordingly. So how is it going? Match the situation and plan it, because there I can't do a pre-planning.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for helping me out. And thank you everyone for listening to this. Now, to understand what is that pop music is all about, you need to wait for another 15 seconds. Let us wait for 15 seconds. Great. So now what was happening to you? See, in the first instance, there were 5 scenarios. First, you dance to the music, right? Some of you are very enthusiastic. For you, time just flew off. And some of you are hesitant to dance. So, oh, bapre, you don't know when it is going to stop. When is going to stop this music, right? And while waiting for the time, 15 seconds, I said 15 seconds, but oh, it is stretching for some of you. I know, right? For some of you, simply it goes off. Right? See what exactly, and even those 3 scenarios when presenting, what happens is the moment of time happens because of the movement of our thoughts. The amount of time, the attachment of our thoughts to the happening, the situations happening around will make them time to move fast or less. So we need to be very aware of these things. Okay, so let us see how to connect all these things, so that, as I said, we need to dance to the tune of the music. That pop, what is that pop? We will see. Sumi ma'am. Yes, the pop is, the P is purpose. The second one is outcome desired. We all have that outcome desired after some activity. So we need to be very clear about that. And we need to plan around that. And finally, we have to prepare for the unknown. There will be always some unknown element will be there. Whatever we prepare, there will be some unknown elements will come into the picture. Now, generally what we do is we are very particular about O and P, that is outcome desired and planning. We do a lot of things around that. All our effort and time will be focused on this outcome desired about some particular activities, and we plan around that. But the first P and last P, generally we don't take care of it. Generally, the unknown element we don't consider at all. That's why we get into the trouble. And the purpose is not actually related to the particular activity. Actually, it is purpose of me. Who am I? Can I deliver through my topics, the way I deliver, all those things? Can I give bit of me there? Can I make understood what is my purpose? Okay, and all these things will happen. Sumi madam, next, will happen only through self-awareness. So the self-awareness will help us to learn the pop music, and it will help us to dance to the tune. The POPP will help when you are in self-awareness, and the same self-awareness will also help me to come out of this unique way. Nowhere you have seen this time management this way, right? It will help us to do this. So that's why please take care of your pop music by practicing self-awareness, so that you will know what is your purpose, what is the outcome desired, and you will plan around this, and you will be looking for the unknown elements also. Thank you. It is 9 minutes.